So welcome back everyone to yet another coding session of Python language. So let's see today what we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn about something really interesting, which is patterns. So patterns is like a very common, you can say, component of coding, and it is available in every language, but we will be learning using Python language. So you can see over here, this is a pattern, right? This over here is a pattern. So now you may think that, yes, we can just simply print it using the print statement, right? Which we are doing till now. Like we can just write our print statement like this. Just a minute, let me just show. Yes, we can write like this: print, then star, then again print, then star, star. Then again the same thing. But what if I said that there should be total 1,000 such stars? So what are you going to do about that? You cannot just simply write 1,000 print statements, right? So we will be using loops for this. We have already learned what are loops. So we will be using loops to make these patterns. Now, before making this, we need to understand, we need to visualize it as the computer does. So now you can see it is a triangular pattern. But what if we divide it into rows and columns? These are columns, right? The vertical ones are known as columns. Yes. And these are known as rows. These horizontal ones are known as rows. So over here you can see, first we need to count how many rows and how many columns are there. We know that there are some loop variables, right? Yes, you can name them anything else also, like we use for I, in range, right? So we can use for j. So I and j, you can say they are the most common loop variables. You can use something else also. You can use a or b, but they are common. Okay. So over here, let's first count how many rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so total 7 columns, 7 rows. So I will start from 1 till 7. J will also start from 1 till 7. But there is one thing you have to understand over here. There are many types of patterns. There can be a block pattern like this, like a square. Okay. So if you are printing this particular thing, if you are doing this thing, then it is going to print a square. You know why? Because J will be within the nested loop. Okay. So when we are using nested loop, so what happens? J will be inside the nested loop. So every time for when I is 1, J will start from 1 till 7. When I is 2, J will start from 1 till 7 again. Okay, but we need to do it as a triangle. So how we can do that? When I will be 1, J will start from 1 and it will go till I, which is 1. Again, when I is 2, J will start from 1. It will go till 2, which is I. Till, if we go till 7, then J will start from 1. It will end up to 7. So let's see the program code for this. Okay, so the program code for this is, yes, just a minute. Yeah, so the program code for this, you can see is for, just a minute. Yes, so the program code for this, you can see for I in range 1 to 8, we know that it will end at 7 if we give 8 over here, because it doesn't go till 8, like it is not equal to, it is less than 8. Okay, and it will start from 1. Initial, like by default, it starts from 0. So next, within this loop, another loop is there, that is j. So for each value of I, j will be running every time from the beginning. So it will run till I plus 1. Why I plus 1 we have given? Because it will stop at I, or else it would stop at I minus 1. So now we will print star and an end, because in Python, what happens when you write star, automatically it comes to the next line. Then what would happen? It would be like this. That's it. No pattern, nothing. It will be just simple lines. So if you add the end statement over here, what happens? It goes to, like, goes beside it. Okay. And then we are going to add this print statement like this. Okay. So let's check the output. So the output is, yes, this particular star pattern is printed. You can try out this particular code, okay, and you can change the values of this and try. This was all for today. I hope you enjoyed it, okay, and don't stop brainstorming. Thank you.